education shows us the importance of hard work and at the same time helps us to grow and develop. It is the key to a successful future and to the numerous opportunities we come across in our lives. Education in all forms and at any point of life plays an indispensable role in our lives. It is everyone's right to get education at every level of life. Mostly students quit because they don't know which university will be suitable according to their financial situation. If you are facing such difficulties, watch this video till end. Hello everyone, this is Salman here. Have you ever dreamed of studying at one of the universities in United States? If yes, well then we all know that having a degree at one of the universities in United States is privilege. It can lead to a lot of opportunities, and especially when the era of education is changing to online. Many students find it difficult to believe that there are universities specifically designed for free tuition distance learning, and one of such universities is the University of People. Yes, you heard me correct. I am talking about the University of People, California. I have come up with 5 reasons that why you need to go to the University of People. The number one reason is tuition free, which means unlike other universities, the University of People doesn't charge students for taking courses. Students pay only for administrative, which includes processing fees for applications and exam assessments.
The number 2 reason is their scholarship programs. The students who cannot afford to pay minimal assessment and administrative fees, the University of People offer a lot of scholarships, which includes donors like HP, Microsoft, Western Union, Intel, and a lot more, which you can check on their website. The number 3 reason is classes and textbooks. The University of People is the first worldwide tuition-free university with online classes and virtual textbooks. Therefore, students are not charged for their course materials. And because it's fully online, so you can manage your schedule accordingly and you can study at any hour of the day. The number 4 reason is eligibility criteria. Their admission requirements are impressive because they don't confuse you by demanding a lot of documents. You should be 16 plus and you should have completed your high school. That's all. And for refugees, they have more relaxation in documents. The number 5 and very important reason is quality and standard. With its groundbreaking online learning model and the instructors from the world's foremost academic volunteers, the University of People is providing a high standard learning environment.
If we talk about the programs which are being offered by the University of People, that includes, if we talk about the bachelor programs, they offer bachelors in health sciences, in computer science and in business administration with 4 years of education. And they do offer masters, which is Master of Education, and they offer the master's degree which is called Masters in Business Administration, MBA. The University of People do offer 2 years program which is associate program, and it includes health science, computer science, business administration. University of People have certificate programs as well, which includes health services, human biology, epidemiology, behavioral health, finance, accounting, marketing, strategy and entrepreneurship.
Now this is your call, my friend. Stop giving reason to yourself, deny all the hurdles, set your goal today and don't stop till you get there. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.